creating an e-commerce website isn't always simple. Performance, optimization, and customization capabilities are often rare in the Gutenberg editor. But that problem is easily solved with StoreEngine and aBlocks, the ultimate combination with native integration for each other. Building and showcasing your products on your website is now more flexible than ever. Let's take advantage of these tools and create your e-commerce website the easy way. First, install the StoreEngine plugin from the WordPress repository. Once done, let's have a quick overview of the dashboard. Configure the necessary settings, set up your payment gateways, and enable the required add-ons. Now, let's add our first product in StoreEngine. Provide a product title, description, image, and price, then publish it. After creation, your product will appear in the product list here. Now it's time to design your website to showcase the products to the world. Let's install aBlocks, search, install, and activate it. aBlocks includes dedicated blocks for StoreEngine. With these blocks, you can customize everything right inside the Gutenberg editor. Next, let's build our website using a ready-made template from Template Kits. Choose a template from the e-commerce category. Click the Import button, and within a few moments, your template will be ready. Let's visit our shop page. All our products are now beautifully showcased. Now, let's customize the imported landing page. From the Pages list, hit Edit. You can adjust any element, change styles, and design as you need directly from the editor. In the Latest Products section, let's add our products. Remove the existing blocks and add the StoreEngine product block from the collection. Adjust columns, update product queries, set the order, and configure everything as needed. Once everything is done, save your changes and click Preview. Yes, we're live. Our products are now visible on the website, and customers can start placing their orders. How was the journey? Nice, right? If you have any questions or need help, just reach out to us. Thank you for watching, and stay subscribed for the next update.